Good morning. Cooking on last night's campfire is a marvelous resource that has gone unrealized by most of us for way too long. It makes perfect sense on so many levels, one of which is how quiet you can be. If you're an early riser like me, you know how every sound you make seems amplified by the morning silence. No sticks to break, no hiss from a gas stove. Number 2 is how easy it is. Cooking in leftover coals is almost effortless, which is just my speed at that time of the morning. Number 3 is that just right amount of heat. Your heat source is waiting under an insulative layer of ash, storing a heat that is perfect for everything from boiling water for your first cup of coffee, or in this case, simmering gravy and baking golden brown biscuits.
Still the same one.
Oh, it's like.
Hey, buddy. Just don't take the GS.
A little bit of
Don't take the GS.
pre-prepared sausage with roux, and that'll just melt into that milk, and the roux will start to thicken it here pretty soon. Oh, nice. If they still feel soft. See what the bottoms look like. Oh yeah, I think they're done. I'm gonna take them off. On this trip, I did learn that different woods may leave behind different hot coals. We burned juniper on our first night, which left me with a layer of ash atop a nice thick structure of hot coals. On the last night, we burned pear, a hardwood that I brought from home, which burned all the way to ash, not leaving me with much to work with in the morning. I'm not 100% sure if that was because of the wood or because of how the fire was managed. It's hard to know with so many variables, but you can bet I'll be paying attention to my morning after campfires, hoping to master this fun, easy, quiet, and smokeless camp cooking method.
Oh, gosh. Yeah, if I say that, it'll never happen.
Can you go on trips like this?
Let's go ahead and take off the lid, pop them out. Whew. Nice and hot.
One day.
How is your hand now?
It's still numb. So 3 years. It kind of got.
Coffee time.
No.
That's okay.
Do you? Well, he tried to put
I tried to
some
bring
in.
it. It sounds like, don't bring
It was
this.
I thought it was chain lube.
Oh.
Is this why I don't get invited?
That's one of the reasons.
If I were you, just take Paul's when he's not looking.
Oh.
Take it off and be like, oh, it's worse than
All right, let's see how these biscuits turned out.
You're gonna have a hard time getting that daughter of yours married off. You need to get a fork. You have a fork? Here, Aiden, I'll just finish this one, then you can take the other one.
It's good stuff.
Well, I mean, when you say dirty, you're dirty or
My dirty.
oh, well, that's my clean.
Well, everybody's getting ready.
Wow, look at that. That's awesome. So cool. That's awesome. Nice view. Very rocky. Holy smokes. Woohoo. Wow, look at that rock. Floor sanding company.
that.